Come on, look carefully. I'll start the car now. Did you see it? Unable to start. Let's try again. Still can't start. After the car owner filled up the fuel tank, the car would not start. Do you know the reason? Let's go check the engine. There are many reasons why the car cannot start. No ignition, no fuel injection. However, this car cannot start after just filling up the tank. I now suspect there is a problem with this part. Come here, look! That's it. It's the carbon canister solenoid valve. Let's take it apart and take a look. Removing the canister solenoid valve is very easy. It's only fixed with this one screw. Let's first remove this screw. Look, the screws have already been removed. Pull the plug. Pull out these two tubes too. Okay, it's already been taken out. The solenoid valve is an electronic valve. After powering on, open it and connect the two tubes. After there is no power, turn it off and disconnect the two tubes. Now I suspect that it doesn't close tightly after power outage. There is leakage. Let's try it. Did you hear that? Sure enough, it leaked. Now that you have found the cause of the problem, it is easy to solve it. Don't rush to replace it to avoid wasting money. Let's knock it hard on the ground to reset the valve inside. It's like when your old antenna TV has no signal. Tap it hard and the fault will be restored. After tapping, let's try again. Did you see that? No more leaks. Then let's install it on the car and see the effect. First, connect these two pipes. Put the plug back in. Tighten the screws. If the canister solenoid valve is not closed tightly, after filling up the tank, a large amount of fuel vapor will enter the intake pipe through this valve, resulting in a high mixture concentration, making it difficult to start the car. Finally, put the plug back in. Okay, now all the front ones are installed. Next, I'll get in the car and start it to see if it can start. Hey, guys, if the car can start next, please light up the red heart to support me. Next is the moment to witness the miracle. Brake. Shift into P. 3, 2, 1, start up. Look, the car started smoothly. The engine power is also very strong. Let's go and see the front. Did you see? The engine runs very smoothly. The problem has been completely solved. Really simple, right? Follow me to make a friend who knows cars.